One final restoration story begins. Series finale journey officially ignites across the world's most dangerous locations. Keep the secure, eggs coming out, quick. Sanctuary trunk is here, load up, now. Rescue phase 1 is clear, ready for extraction. Eggs in place, move back. Investigate, great, kids, shot. Witness the revelation of legends. Unleash the power. GOLD, restoration, unrivaled. The circle of life is restored. Together, we thrive.
Nothing stops us. Old to gold world. Five legendary beasts. 5 impossible rescues. 1.
Analyzing thermal signature. Systems seem critical. Back away, this beast is territorial. Not without getting readings. It's stable for now. Keep the beam steady. Watch for the foxes. Sanctuary team, clear the perimeter. They're moving. Good job, team. Arctic harmony preserved.
Extraordinary. They recognize the Titan. Giants recognize giants.
All right, clear the perimeter now. Follow the signals. Herd moving respectfully, stating quickly. Site clear. Begin a...
One final restoration story begins. Series finale journey officially ignites across the world's most dangerous locations.
Keep them secure. Eggs coming out. Quick. Sanctuary truck is here. Load them up. Now! Rescue phase 1 is complete. Prepare the rig for extraction.
The cage is in place. Move back. Investigating. Get ready. He's in. Snap it shut. Team arriving now. Move, move, move.
Evacuated. Released. Released. Relocated. Cleared. Restore.
One final restoration story begins. Series finale journey officially ignites across the world's most dangerous locations.
Witness the reclamation of legends.
Unleash the power!
GOLD restoration. Unrivaled.
Engaging Dragon V12 build. Tiger V8 crankshaft secured. Polar diesel injectors initialized. Elephant hauler turbo engaged. 5 hearts prepared to beat again.
The circle of life is restored. Together, we thrive. Godspeed, my friends. Your journey home awaits. May you find your families. Welcome home. It seems they remember the scent of the dragon.
The perfect vantage point. Indeed, our kingdom expands. Good work, old friend. Let's stretch our legs. Welcome home, my friends. Nifs. Hoof, hoof. Welcome, ancient ones. Low rumble. Trumpet.
Gold Restoration Garage Benign, where legends live forever with nature. Gold Restoration Garage, where legends live forever with nature.
legends become reality. Old to Gold World.
Did it! This is unbelievable.